Okay. I don't know. Keep it your phone properly in your hand, and afterwards what I'm going to ask you, that telling me. Okay. Now we are going to take one sum that is 3 digit. Okay. This is the first sum we are going to take out, 3 digit. Yes or no? Okay. Now what is the sum? 52 divided by 7. 452 divided by 7. Wait a second, student. Okay. Yes. Now look at here. In the table of 7, you want to take first one column, one number. That is 4 number. Go to the 4 number. One by one you want to forward. Okay. Now look at here. Wait a second, student. Just a second. Now, sum is which? That is, yes. Now look at here. What is the sum? 452. Yes, teacher, I done. Okay. Now look at here. 452 divided by 7. 452 divided by 7 means first number is which? 4. That is very simple number is there. Very small number as compared to 7. Yes, students, tell me, in the table of 7, 4 is there. Yes, tell me. Give me answer in a chat box. In the table of 7, 4 is there? No. Very good. So now what to do? If suppose 4 is not there, so you want to give the carry. That means 0. Look at here. How to give the 0? You want to write top side, means the top side of 4. Okay. Don't go to the top side of 5 and 2. We are going to take out the 1 1 column, 1 1 number. So you want to write, if suppose, yes, listen here. If suppose 4 is a small, divisor is big, and the dividend is small. So what to do? You want to take out the 0 over there. So top side, on the top side of 4, you want to write 0. After that, give the which sign? Which sign will come? That is minus sign. That means minus sign already given to you here. And you want to write 0 as it is down. Okay, and do the subtraction. 4 minus 0. Yes, 4 minus 0. What is the answer? Your answer is 4. 4 minus 0, your answer is 4. Okay, understood till here? Understood? That is the first step. Clear? If suppose dividend is small and divisor is big, so you want to take out first 0 over there. Till here, everyone clear? Yes? Give me response in a chat box. Then I will proceed. Okay, cleared. Yes. Now go to the next. Okay. Yes, students, look at here. Now, second number. Go to the second number. Which is our second number? Tell me. That is, after 4, which number is there? After 4, 5. So 4 minus 0, 4, and after that you want to take out the next number. You want to take out the next number, that is 45. Now go to here. That is the second step. Go to in second number. That means middle sum. Okay, same sum is there, but they are given you in a states. Okay. Now look at here. So the 45 is there in the table of 7. 45 in which place? You want to learn the table and tell me 45. If suppose 45 is not there, so less than 45 number you want to found. Less than 45 number. So which number will come? That is 42. Good. So 42 number is on which place in the table of 7? 42 number. Yes, 7 6 are 42. Very good. Very nice. Okay, very good. So students, now what you want to do? 7 6 are 42. You want to write over here. Now I'm going to show you. See, 45 minus 42. What is the answer? 4 minus 4, 0 will come. 5 minus 2, 3 will come. What will come? 3 will come. And 2, which 2 will come here? Tell me. Now go to the third number. Remaining 2. After 5, one number is there. After 5, one number is there. That is last one, 2. See, one last number is there. That is 2. You want to take 2 in the downside. That means which number will there? 32. Which number will there? 32. In the table of 7, 32 is there. Learn the multiplication table. If suppose the same number is not there, that means what you want to concentrate? The smaller number. Okay? Which given to you as compared to that smaller number you want to take. Now, in the table of 7, 32 is not there. Yes or no? So you want to take out the smaller number as compared to 32. Which one is the smaller number is there? In the table of 7, that is 4. Yes or no? 7 4s are 28. And 7 5s are, tell me, 7 5s are? 7 5s are, what is the answer? 35. 32 minus 35, it is possible? 32 minus 35, it is possible? No. So we want to take always the smaller number over there. Okay? We want to take always the smaller number. So 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Okay? Yes. Now student, 32 minus 28. 32 minus 28. Yes. What is the answer? 3 minus 2? No. 32 minus 28, how you will be do? Tell me. 2 minus 8, it is not possible. So you want to take 1 from the 3. Yes or no? You want to take 1 from the tens column. That means from 3. Yes. So 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. That is 4. 12 minus 8. Yes, you want to take the borrow. Very good. You want to do the borrowing there. Because 32 is the bigger, 2 is the bigger number and 8 is the smaller number. Yes or no? Yes. So 12 minus 8, that is 4. From 3, you are given 1 already in a ones column. So remaining top side of the 3, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is your remaining balance? That is 4. Okay. Now in this sum, now give the name of that number. Okay. Yes, 64. 64 is what? Yes, students, tell me. 64 is what in this sum? Give me answer. 64. 64 is what? Yes, students. Very good. 64 is, it's a continent. Okay. 452 is what? 452. 452 is what? Give me answer. Yes. 452 is a dividend. And the 7 is what? 7. 7 is the divisor. And remaining 4. Go to the last remaining 4. Yes, 4 is what? Which I am going to highlight with blue color. Wait a second. Yes, this 4, tell me. That is remainder. Now students, you are solving the sum. But that sum, it is right or wrong. How you will be understood? Now one method is there. Look at here. You want to check our answer is right or wrong. You want to do the cross check. How you are doing the cross check? Now I am going to tell you. See, 64 into 7 you want to multiply. What? Which number? Continent number and divisor number. Continent number and divisor number you want to multiply. That means 64 into 7. Okay. Look at here. 7 4 za. Yes, tell me answer. 7 4 za. Give me answer in a chat box. You all are learn the multiplication table. Yes or no? Good. 28. So here I am going to write 8 and 2 is carry. Now I am going to write one another style. And 6 into 7. Yes. 6 into 7. Tell me answer. 6 into 7. I am going to explain you again. Wait. 6 into 7. 42. Okay. So 42 plus this 2 you want to add. 42 plus this 2 you want to add. What is your answer? 448. What is your answer? Now I am going to write here. See. 448. Now which both number we are multiplying? The continent and divisor. Continent and divisor. Understood? Now you want to add the remainder. See our which one? Now tell me the 4 is what? 4 is what? Tell me 4 is our what? What is the name of that number 4? That is remainder. Okay, wait a second student. Those are not understanding. Again I am going to explain you. Wait a second. 448 plus 4. Yes, do the addition. 448 plus 4. Do the addition. 448 plus 4. Do the addition and tell me answer. 452. Very good. So understood. Your dividend is what? See, everyone look at here. Your dividend is what? 452. That means your answer is correct. Understood? How you will be do the cross check? Like this. In this way you want to do the cross check. Till here understood. Now I am going to again same sum I am going to explaining you. Till here everyone understood? How we want to check the right answer. Our answer is right or wrong. We want to do the cross check. In this way you want to do the cross check. Understood? First of all, you want to do the multiply. What? The continent and the divisor. That means 64 into 7 you want to multiply. In this, you want to add this 4. You want to add this 4. Now I am going to clear this drawing. Wait a second, student. Again, look at here. Yes, those students are not understood that sum. For them, now I am going to explain again. Yes. Yes, students, send me message in a chat box. How many are not understood? Raise the hands. Go to the participant list and raise the hands. How many are not understood? Okay, Manasvi, you not understood. Okay, beta, I am going to explain you. Another student? That means more students are there not understood this sum. Yes, Oppo F11. Rename yourself, student. Oppo F11. Rename it. Rename it properly. Oppo. Okay. Half students are there. They are not understood. Again, I am going to explaining you. Now I am going to share the whiteboard. Okay. Understood? Now I am going to share the whiteboard. On whiteboard, you want to concentrate properly. Look at here. I am going to share you. Wait a second. Okay. Now I am going very slowly. Okay. My whiteboard is there. My whiteboard is visible to everyone. Tell me. My whiteboard is visible to everyone. Okay. Now, no one going to the chat box. First of all, you are not concentrating what I am explaining. You are busy in chat box. So that time, you will not understood what teacher is explaining you. Okay, and after that you're asking, first of all, don't go to the chat box. No one is sending any message in chat box. Go to the whiteboard. Okay, now I'm going to write here sum. Sum is what? 452 divided by 7. Look at here, 452 divided by 7. Okay, now who is there raising the hands? Now hands down. I'm going to explaining you. Hands down, everyone. Everyone should hands down. Everyone. After that, I'm going to explaining you. Hands down, everyone. Concentrate here, okay? The divisor is what in this sum? 7 is a divisor and 452 is what? 452 is the dividend. Okay, now I'm going to explain you. See, the first one number. Go to the first one number. Okay, first one number is what? 4. It is smaller to the 7. Okay, in the table of 7, 4 is not there. So you want to take 0 over there. What you want to take? 0 over there. After that, same 0 you want to write here. And what? Which operation you want to do? Which you want to do now in this multiplication or subtraction? Okay. Don't go to the addition. When you are doing the division, at that time, you want to do the subtraction. So 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0, your answer is 4. That is very simple. Okay. 4 minus 0, your answer is 4. Understood? Now, till here clear? In the table of 7, 4 is not there. So, when divisor is big and dividend is smaller, at that time you want to take the 0. First of all, you want to take the 0. So, 4 minus 0, your answer is 4. Now, go to the next number. That means 5. Okay? In the table of 7, 45 is there. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Learn table yourself and listen here. The 45 is not there in the table of 7. If suppose the same number is not there in the table of 7, so you want to take the smaller number. Which given number is there as compared to that smaller number? That means 7 6 are 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Okay. So again minus sign will come. 45 minus 42. 45 minus 42 minus from your side. Answer is 3. How? 5 minus 2. That is 3. 4 minus 4. 0. So don't take the 0. That is you want to add 0 is there. Next. Our next number 5 is over. Now go to the next number. That is 2. You want to take 2 again downside. Okay. 32 is there. Now in the table of 7, 32 it is there. Same number is there. No. So you want to take again smaller number. Okay. You want to take the smaller number. 32. As compared to 32, which one is the smaller number? That is 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. So you want to write here 4. Wait a second, student. Okay. 7 4s are 28. Now space is not there on my whiteboard. 32 minus 28. 32 minus 28. Your answer is 4. Your answer is, now I'm going to write here, okay? Your answer is 4. So in this sum, 7 is a divisor, 452 is a dividend, 64 is a continent, and remaining 4 is your remainder. Now look at here. Now the sum is over. Okay, division sum is over. Now you want to check our answer is right or wrong. Yes or no? Your division sum solving over. This much states are there. But you want to check, you want to cross check our answer is right or wrong. So tell me how you will do. First of all, now I am going to clear the half my work from here. And here only I am going to solve how to check. Okay, ready everyone? 64 into 7. Continent into divisor. That means 64 into 7. Your answer is 448. And last one, that means reminder what remaining, that is 4. So you want to add 448 plus 4, 452. 452. The same number. See, your answer will come the same number 452. That means both numbers are same. That means your answer is right. Which both number? 64 into 7, 448, and plus you want to add the remainder. So that total and your dividend number both same. Both should the same. That means your answer is correct. Yes, Chetna teacher, change the setting. Yes, students. Now tell me the understood which I was explain you how to check the answer and how to solve the division sums. That understood. If suppose you all are clear, then type capital Y in a chat box. Then type capital Y in a chat box. Yes, students. Send me message in a chat box. You all are clear how to solve and how to cross check. That means our answer is right or wrong. How to check. Everyone cleared? If suppose you all are clear, then type capital Y in a chat box. I want answer from everyone. Yes, I want answer from everyone. Everyone. Okay. That means, okay, good. This sum understood? Okay, now I'm going to write again one sum here. We are going to solve this sum. Okay, student? If suppose you have any doubt, freely ask me, teacher, I not understood. I will explaining you again. Okay. Now one image is there, that is division sums. 2 digit by 1 digit. Okay. Ready everyone? Okay. Now I'm not going to solve. Give me answer in a chat box, then I will write. Ready? Okay. Now student, I'm going to take out the pen. And which number? That is C. 74 divided by 3. 74 divided by 3. Now 3 is what? Tell me in a chat box. 3 is what? Which 3? That 3. Okay. And before given number, that is the number 3. So tell me 3 is what in the both sum? That is divisor. Very good. And 74 is what? Yes, 74 is, reminder is not there now. 74. That is dividend. Very good, Jagruti. And 3 is what? Yes, 3 is divisor. Now learn the table of 3 and tell me which number I am going to write here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So tell me which number will come here. On the top side, which number will come? How 3 will come? No, wrong. Yes, 3 2s are 6. Here, on the top side. On the top side, which number will come? That tell me. 2. Very good. 3 2s are. Now I am going to write here. Okay. That same sum I am going to 74 divided by 3. We will take this sum on whiteboard. Okay. 74 divided by 3. Look at here. Okay. 74 divided by 3. Yes, tell me. 3 2s are 6. You want to do the subtraction? 7 minus 6, tell me. 7 minus 6. How 0 will come, student? Yes, 1 is there. 7 minus 6. Always 0 will not come, beta. 4 minus 4, 0 will come. Yes, now what? Top side bigger number is there and downside smaller is number there. So subtraction it is possible. Okay, 7 minus 6, that is 1. And now tell me which number I want to take here. Which number I want to take? Yes, that 4 will come down. So here 14 will come. What is the number? 14. Okay. Now learn the table. Learn the table of 3 and tell me here now which number will come here. Learn the table. If suppose same number is not there, the same number is not there, so you want to concentrate the smaller number which has given to you, that is smaller number as compared to 14. Which one is the smaller? Good. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are, yes, tell me the 3 5s are, what is the answer? 3 5s are, why 15? Okay, if suppose 15 I am going to write here, then your answer will come correct or wrong? Tell me, correct or incorrect? Can I write 15 here? Downside of 14, can I write 15? No, that means your answer will come wrong. So which number will come? 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So tell me now. 4 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So now here, next number is there. After 4, any number is there? Yes, tell me students. After 4, any number is there? After 4, see this 4. After 4, any number is there? In the dividend, after 4, no any number is there. That means your sum solving over here. Okay. Now you want to check. You want to do the cross check. Our answer is right or wrong. So students, tell me what you will do first. Which both number you want to multiply, that tell me. Which both number you want to multiply. Now I am going to do the multiplication also here. Tell me first. Which both number will come? 24 into 3. 24 into 3. Very good. So solve from your side and tell me the answer. Solve from your side and tell me the answer. 4 3s are 12. So 2 is here. 1 is carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1. 7. 72 plus. Now which number you want to add? Tell me. Yes, which number you want to add? 24. No, wrong. Yes, Manasvi, very good. The remainder, your remaining answer, which that is remainder, you want to add over here. 72 plus 2. Add and tell me 72 plus 2. What will come? 72 plus 2. What will come? 74. Your answer is correct? Yes, tell me. Yes or no? 74 is here. Look at here. 74 is there. Your dividend is what? 74. That means your answer is right or wrong? Tell me. Yes, give me response in a chat box. Your answer is right or wrong? Okay. So that means you understood now. Okay. Cleared everyone? This sum everyone cleared? Okay. Now again I'm going to share you one sum. Okay. Now you want to solve. I'm not going to solving you. I will give you the time. Okay. I will give you the time and you want to solve this answer. I'm waiting for your answer. All student will try. All student. Not only single 2-3 selected students. Okay. All are trying. Now next sum is there. I'm going to highlight. You want to solve from your side and tell me the answer. Okay, student? Yes. 77. Okay, same number. No, wait. 88 divided by 6. 88 divided by 6. Yes. Now your time is start. Yourself you want to solve and then tell me the answer. From your side you want to, yes, 3 minus 2. Now do the multiplication. 3 minus 2, your answer is 1. Okay. Now which number you want to take? After 3, which number is there? 4 you want to take down. 14. Okay. In the table of 2, 14 is there. Yes, yourself you want to learn the table and tell me answer in a chat box. From your side you want to learn the table and tell me answer in a chat box. In the table of 2, 14 is there. Yes, learn the table from your side. Yes. And on which place 14 is there? 2 sevens are very good. 2 sevens are 14. Very nice. Okay. So 14 minus 14. 14 minus 14. Tell me 14 minus 14. 0. Very good. Now next, which number I want to write here? Yes. 7 will come down. Okay. Again in the table of 2, 7 is there. In the table of 2, 7 is there. No. So you want to learn the table. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 8 is not possible because 8 is big number. So which one is the smaller? 6. 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6 you want to subtract. 7 minus 6 you want to subtract. What is the remainder? 7 minus 6. Yes, tell me 7 minus 6. What will come? I written over there but space is very small. So one standing line I given. 7 minus 6. What? 1. Okay. After 7 any number is there? After 7 check it properly. Any number is there? After 7. Give me answer in a chat box. After 7 any number is there? No number is there. That means here your division sum solving over. Okay. Now you want to do the cross check. Your answer is correct or incorrect, right or wrong. So tell me how you will be do. Which two number I want to write here? Tell me. 173 into 2. This 2 number you want to multiply. Yes, tell me the answer. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Yes, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14. 4 is here. 1 is carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. That is 3. Okay. 346. Now which number you want to add? Which number you want to add? Yes. 1. 346 plus 1. What will come your answer? 347. 347. So now students tell me 347 is there. Your dividend is what? 347. That means your answer is correct or incorrect. Tell me. Yes, students. Your answer is correct or incorrect.